Hey there guys, get ready to discover a collection of cool survival gadgets that will take your outdoor adventures to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or just starting to explore the wild, these innovative tools are designed to enhance your experiences and keep you prepared for any situation. So, grab your gear, sit back, and let's dive into the world of ultimate survival gadgets. Jackfish. Here's the ultimate powerhouse of tools disguised as a sleek and slim gadget. It's like having a superhero in your wallet, ready to save the day. The Jackfish is an indestructible super slim card holder containing essential everyday tools. From a whistle that can rival the volume of an opera singer to a fire starter that could put a dragon to shame, the Jackfish has got you covered in the great outdoors. Need to cut through obstacles? It's got a knife for that. Want to fix something on the go? It's got screwdrivers too. And if you're feeling a bit lost, fear not, because the Jackfish comes with a compass to point you in the right direction. You can even slip it into your wallet, and you'll be the MacGyver of everyday carry items. It's your secret weapon for outdoor adventures and unexpected emergencies. Adventure Mate V2. Meet the Adventure Mate V2, the Swiss Army knife of survival tools. With a sturdy shovel that can dig trenches or clear debris faster than a squirrel on caffeine, you'll be the king of the wilderness. But wait, there's more! The shovel's serrated edge doubles as a saw, perfect for cutting through branches or making toothpicks for beavers. And if you need to drive a point home, it has a hammerhead that will make Thor himself envious. It also features a hatchet for all your wood chipping needs, ensuring you're the boss of the campfire and shelter building. And after a long day of conquering the outdoors, it even has a built-in bottle opener because you deserve a cold one. So whether you're camping, hiking, or simply showing nature who's boss, the Adventure Mate V2 is your trusty sidekick. Infinite Air 5T. Hold on to your hats, folks, because the Infinite Air is here to blow you away. Literally. This incredible gadget harnesses the power of wind to create electricity, making it the ultimate off-grid charging solution. With its compact design and user-friendly setup, you can become the green superhero of your outdoor adventures. Its durable blades elegantly capture the wind's energy and converts it to electrical power, ready to charge your smartphones, tablets, cameras, and any other USB-compatible devices. Get ready to embrace the wind with the Infinite Air 5T, your portable, eco-friendly charging companion. Pure Flame Mini. Here's a compact and accessible gadget that brings simplicity and functionality to your outdoor adventures. This small device is no longer than an apple, but offers impressive versatility. With a quick unfold, the Pure Flame Mini transforms into a powerful hiking torch, providing illumination in 3 different modes. The first mode is ideal for boiling water, ensuring you have a hot beverage or meal on the go. The second mode turns the gadget into a grill. For those times when speed is of the essence, the turbo mode is perfect for quickly cooking food. The Pure Flame Mini operates using natural fuel, such as branches that can easily be found nearby. It also boasts water resistance, making it suitable for various weather conditions. Moreover, it has the ability to convert heat into electricity, allowing you to charge your gadgets while you cook or stay warm. PyroVault 2.0. It's time to protect your precious lighter with the PyroVault 2.0, the ultimate bodyguard for your fiery friend. We all know lighters have a knack for disappearing when you need them the most. This rugged and weather-resistant case is built like a tank, protecting your lighter from drops, bumps, and even the wildest adventures. Whether you're trekking through the rainforest or braving the wilderness, this armor has got your lighters back. The PyroVault's mole-compatible clip allows you to attach it to your backpack, belt, or tactical gear, so you're always prepared for action. Life Straw. Attention adventurers and thirst warriors. The time has come to conquer the great outdoors and quench your thirst with confidence. Introducing Life Straw, the portable water filter that transforms even the murkiest puddles into refreshing hydration. This compact gadget works like magic, utilizing advanced filtration technology to remove harmful bacteria, parasites, and even microplastics from contaminated water sources. Simply dip the straw into a stream, lake, or any water source that makes you cringe, and let the hollow fiber membrane work its filtering wonders. It's like having a mini water treatment plant in the palm of your hand. With Life Straw, you can confidently explore the great outdoors, knowing that you'll have a reliable source of safe drinking water wherever you go. So whether you're hiking, camping, or faced with unexpected emergencies, Life Straw has got your hydration needs covered. Drink up and adventure on. Zoleo. This revolutionary messaging system that ensures seamless global communication for smartphones. With Zoleo, you can stay connected regardless of cell coverage, allowing your messages to follow you wherever you go. Send messages to your contacts using their SMS number or email address. By sharing your Zoleo number or email with them, they can easily initiate messages to you as well. This connectivity is made possible through the utilization of the Iridium satellite network, enabling users to stay connected from the North Pole to the South Pole. It has features such as sending SOS alerts or check-in messages directly to the Zoleo device or via the Zoleo app on your phone. This unique messaging experience seamlessly transitions between satellite, cellular, and Wi-Fi connectivity, always selecting the most cost-effective network available. With Zoleo, you can rely on a constant and dependable connection no matter where you are. Stay connected effortlessly with Zoleo and experience the future of global messaging. Titan Emergency Survival Blankets. Are you ready to wrap yourself in a cozy cocoon of survival? It's time to meet your trusty sidekick, the Titan Emergency Survival Blanket. These lightweight and compatible blankets are not your average throws. They are superheroes of heat retention. With their durable construction and reflective properties, they can trap up to 90% of your body heat, ensuring you stay warm and protected in emergency situations or harsh weather conditions. These blankets are waterproof, windproof, and tear-resistant, making them the ultimate shield from Mother Nature's whims. Whether you're caught in a sudden storm, stranded in the wilderness, or facing unexpected emergencies, the Titan Emergency Survival Blankets have got your back and your front and your sides. They are large enough to cover you from head to toe, providing full body protection and peace of mind. So tuck yourself in, snuggle up, and let the Titan Emergency Survival Blanket be your cozy guardian in the wild. Adventure awaits. Rhino Ready Backpack. Here's the ultimate sidekick for your adventures in the wild and the unexpected. This backpack is not your ordinary carry-all. It's a masterful curated survival kit that's got your back in critical situations. With its durable construction, multiple compartments, and pockets for organized storage, it's like Mary Poppins' bag, but with a rugged twist. Inside, you'll find an array of essential supplies, carefully selected to ensure you're prepared for anything life throws at you. From emergency rations to water purification tablets, this backpack has your hunger and thirst covered. Need a multi-tool? Check. Flashlight? You bet. Whistle, fire starter, first aid kit, and even a radio for communication. Everything you need to navigate through tough times. And if you're running low on power, don't worry. The Rhino Ready Backpack includes a portable charger and a solar panel, harnessing the energy of the sun to keep your devices alive and kicking. Reusable hand warmers. It's getting chilly out there, but fear not, frozen-fingered friends, because we have the perfect solution to warm up your hands and your hearts. These are the reusable hand warmers, the superheroes of heat. Simply give them a satisfying click and watch as they transform into your personal hand-hugging heaters. They generate warmth that can last for hours, providing you with toasty comfort during outdoor activities or frigid weather conditions. These eco-warriors are reusable and environmentally friendly. When they cool down, simply boil them in water and they're ready to warm your hands again. It's like magic, but without the wands and wizards. Slip them into your hands or pockets and let the cozy warmth spread like a gentle bug. The ultimate all-in-one fire starter tool. Here's a tiny but mighty gadget that will ignite your inner adventurer. This pocket-sized wonder combines multiple fire-starting capabilities into one convenient device, ensuring you'll never be left in the dark or cold. Equipped with a ferro rod and an integrated striker, this tool produces sparks that can set your tinder ablaze, turning a spark of inspiration into a roaring fire. Need fuel for your fire? Fear not, the ultimate all-in-one fire starter tool has a tinder compartment to store dry tinder materials, making fire starting a breeze. This tool is your ticket to becoming the ultimate fire whisperer. Light Repel. Here's the solution to pesky mosquitoes that can ruin your holidays. Whether you're hiking, walking, barbecuing, or enjoying the beach, traditional options like sprays and creams can be inconvenient and often ineffective. Enter Light Repel, a compact plug-in mosquito repellent designed by specialists from Hong Kong. Despite its small size of 1.9 by 3.9 inches and weighing just 1.5 ounces, this keychain-like device offers promising results. The manufacturers claim that its effect can be observed within 30 seconds, and it provides a working range of 10 to 30 feet. It's important to note that Light Repel requires a constant power supply to function effectively. However, its compact size and lightweight design makes it easy to carry with you wherever you go.